Go inside the cab. Come inside. Okay, you get in and you start the truck. I guess it's got a shut off switch, which is perfect. It's right here. Turn the power on. You let the computer do its reset. And then it's ready to go. And we're gonna start it. It's minus 16 outside today, so that was a little cold start. But it started. You're good. And what you do is, the first thing you should do is turn all your lights on, right? And then make sure, go outside and check to make sure all your lights are on. This is your computer spreader, this is your plow controls, and obviously the actual truck. So once you settle into the truck, heat is on obviously. On, you come to the computer, PTO, turn the PTO on because you want to get the hydraulic start to move. You want to get it warmed up. You want to make sure your changer works. You go here to the computer, you press unload. You go unload. Second. So unload is on. You turn the conveyor on to the third setting. Spinner's on as well. And then you look back to make sure everything's moving. And as you can see the chain is moving. We saw the main conveyor is moving, and then we're going to come here and make sure the augers are moving. As you can see here, spinners are moving. Then you walk around as well again, and you look at your lights. Your lights are flashing, everything's good. Right? You come to this side, same thing. You check to make sure, well, this spinner's off, I guess, so the conveyor will be off. But actually, conveyor's on, just spinner's off. Okay, but that's your check that you have to do before you even move the truck. You've got to make sure everything is moving. The conveyor is moving and not frozen. It's a must. So we're back in the cab. Now you turn off the unload. It's off. These are your plow controls. Now you make sure all your plow, everything works, right? So you go up with the plow, and there's your plow going up. Perfect. Then you go to the next lever. It's your front wing. You raise that up. Now it's very important you raise this one up all the way to clear the tire, right? And you don't want the rear to hit the exhaust on the right side or the cab. So you bring it almost all the way, and then you bring the rest up. So again, you go to the next lever and you bring that up. Once it's almost all the way up, come over here and you raise this one. Make sure it's all the way up. You see it's clearing the front tire, right? And then you raise the back of the wing all the way, and then you know you're good now. Now this one has a slide to the wing, so we're gonna slide it down, and that's wing extension right here. That's up. Oh, I guess it's down all the way, which is over here. You got wing extension, and that's tilt harness, and this is your dump body to dump. Now, if you want to bring the plow and wing down, obviously the front plow down first lever, bring that down. And then now, very important with the wing, you want to do the rear wing first down. Because what happens if you put the front of the wing down, it's going to dig in. It's going to be like a V into the ground, and then it's going to jam and it could break something. So you want to bring the wing down almost all the way to the road. It's a little slow because it's really cold out today. It's like minus 16. You bring the front of the wing down, as you can see, it's going down with the second lever. Now, when it's at a certain height, you go back to the rear wing. You want that to hit the road first. The rear of the wing, okay. And this one, and you can feel it hitting the ground. And then there's the front of the wing down. And this is what you do with a snowplow. Have a great day.